Welcome to this quick tutorial. Today we will guide you through the process of adding UTM parameters to an email asset with ease. Begin by clicking on the Search Market to Assets tab, where you can directly search for the asset and then select it. Next, click on Add UTM Parameters. Here you can select the specific parameter you wish to add. Please note that these UTM values are editable during the adding process. Once you've made your selection, click Continue. Now, select the links where you want to append the UTM parameters and then click Apply. The UTM parameter is now successfully added to the hyperlink. To verify this, simply click on the Add UTM again, and you'll see that the selected UTM has been added to your URL. Let's now go back and see what happens when you try to add UTM parameters to an email with a broken template. Repeat the previous steps. Go to Search Marketo Assets, search for your asset, and click on Add UTM Parameters. At this point, you might encounter an issue. The system might detect that the email template is broken and it cannot apply UTM links directly. But don't worry, we've got a solution. To handle this, open the email in a Marketo, click on Edit Code, and copy the entire HTML content of the email. Return to your asset within the Asset Naming Assistant application and paste the HTML content you've copied. Then click Continue. Once you've done this, it will allow you to add the UTM parameters, select the UTM parameter and the links where you want your UTM to be appended and click Apply. And that's it. Your UTM tags have been added even to an email with a broken template. Thank you for watching.